this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and food category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. There is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and ages, etc. Category 2. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. We talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.